So welcome to the channel, everyone. I'm in the country today, and guess what? We're gonna dig a grave today because somebody from the community passed. We're gonna dig the grave, we're gonna cook some food, and we're gonna just hold a nice little vibes. We're gonna actually show people how we party in a Jamaica, you know, rural style. Yeah, man. So stay tuned and see what I go on the channel today. Everybody, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, man, it's very important for the growth of the channel as well.
See, all of the mean man, them?
Yeah.
Them for give y'all money, so.
Oh, yeah. I mean?
So I go on and say, I want no want. Tell me want no want. Girl, I want no want. Tell me want no. Oh no fi kick y'all money. Oh no fi kick y'all money. All mean man, oh no fi kick y'all money. Kick y'all money. Oh no fi kick y'all money. All mean man, oh no fi kick y'all money. In a Spain town we a kick y'all money. In a Spanish town we a kick y'all money. Can't cross put me we a kick y'all money. Up a Cudjoe land we a kick y'all money. Up a back pass man we a kick y'all money. Give them in a 10 and in a 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 6, 65, 7, 75, 80. So everywhere I go is the same cry. Say money worries easy.
How long you do this for?
A bowler that I want bowler man a long time man from here about 8.
A lot good them, yeah? So,
Yeah man.
this is our curry goat.
Yeah.
Pumpkin are pretty though.
Yeah man. Have good color, you know?
Man, you have years of cooking skills, you know? So grave digging in the rural area is a whole day event where people cook a ton load of food. As you can see now, this man is basically roasting breadfruit under the fire where the food them a cook and a whole of vibes.
Jesus Christ, ranking! I know you ain't big. Jesus Christ!
Right, so we have a pumpkin with Irish breadfruit, everything, you see me? Carrot. Big up the chef them, man. Jamaican rituals surrounding grave digging is a big celebration as it's a way for family, friends and neighbors to mourn the death of a loved one. So what we have is several community members coming together to assist in digging the grave of the deceased. Grave digging is a whole day event accompanied by music, food and drink. For this event, the menu included curried goat, fried chicken, brown stew, pork, cow skin and chicken foot soup. For maximum taste and flavor, these meat were killed from a week before and seasoned and left for all the flavors to marinate properly in the meat, so that when you eat it, you can taste the season to the bone. While at the event, I met up an artist from the 1980s, Being It Done, who serenaded us with a ton load of music.
You were connected to, you know. Oh no, fi get up and rock, get up and rock. All of them must have, oh no, get up and oh no, lick me down a dirty and me punks right back to me. Firm like a wall, tough like a rock. Cho, got in the singer, now me got in the shack. Come, old granny, she have to get up and rock, yes. Downtown passy, you have to get up and rock, yes. Uptown passy, you have to get up and so who no tell me no want the beanie. Girl, no fi tell me no want the beanie, yeah. Girl, no fi tell me no want the beanie. And when I say beanie, I mean beanie done. I'm gonna go back again for the girls, them. So my cousin there, so you understand? You know, see how it go. They must spend all of money for that, though. The man, them, you know, you see, so you see all of the mean man, them.
Yeah.
Them for give y'all money, so.
Oh, yeah. I mean?
So I'm go on and say, I want no want. Tell me want no want. Girl, I want no want. Tell me want no. Oh no fi kick y'all money. Oh no fi kick y'all money. All mean man, oh no fi kick y'all money. Kick y'all money. Oh no fi kick y'all money. All mean man, oh no fi kick y'all money. In a Spain town we a kick y'all money. In a Spanish town we a kick y'all money. Can't cross put me we a kick y'all money. Up a Cudjoe land we a kick y'all money. Up a back pass man we a kick y'all money. Give them in a 10, and in a 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 55, 6, 65, 7, 75, 80. So everywhere I go is the same cry. Say money worries easy.
Man full of talent.
You want now, and we have all some new one here, you know. Boy, you hear this one? Yeah, you see the one you know. You see, I'm a youth, them, you know, and them jovial, you know. So that's how we deal with them. So I'm gonna go back and give them the part 2.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say, how where you want? Tell me where you want, girl. How where you want? Tell me where you. After me build your big house up on the hilltop, Benz park up in the parking lot, satellite dish step on the house top, and the 2 body gather out a door just a what. So, how where you want? Tell me where you want, girl. How where you want? Tell me where you. After me fly you out in a me private jet, and down a Dubai where me and you arrest, girl. Hugging and kissing with a whole heap of caress, girl. Feel tired and now you're laying on my chest. So, how where you want? Tell me where you want, girl. How where you want? Tell me where you. After me get your passport and now me get your visa, you take a taxi, you reach a Palisade, you book a for your flight up on a Air Canada, bow, to down France and down a Germany, and look further you gone in a Italy, bow. How where you want? Tell me where you want, girl. How where you want? Yeah man, it's all about the bombing, you know. Yeah man, original being Dan man. Well, me have some little new tune, you know. I go on, you know, but you see, as a entertainer, I not have somebody where in my corner.
Like
because,
a producer?
Yeah, because I do tune for Dennis Star, I do tune for Jack Scorpio, and the producer, where Roman Virgo, them I work for, you know. That is a big producer from down Crossroad. I soon get to the name. See, Donovan German. A 3 tune I do for Donovan German. Me and Delroy Wilson.
Right.
See, in combination. Once you get party and starting down. Good up. Once there's no troubles and there is no cloud. Everyone dancing their troubles away. Come join my party and feel how it's great. Knock some knock, turn up. Bambo muntam fiesta it. Bambo.
While the man them sing and enjoy themselves, the man them continue to work while drinking them white rum. This is chef. Oh gosh, man. While the grave was being dug and everyone was enjoying themselves, we have the chef here pouring the oil to prepare to fry the chicken. So the pot is left on the wood fire for the oil get hot to that desired temperature. And we notice how the chef showing in scotch bonnet pepper and in thyme. As the oil get hot, these unlock the flavor of the seasoning. And as soon as this is finished, the next thing is for him to do is basically flour the chicken, which you are seeing in the bath right now. After the chicken flour, that's when he's going to put all this chicken into the pot and fry it. And here you have one of the next chef continuing to cut up his seasoning, his bell pepper, his thyme, etc. So for this event, the man them have on 45 pound of rice. The pot that this chef is currently in have 25 pound of rice and peas, and the one to the left of this pot have another 20 pound of rice and peas. These guys have been doing this for years, and this is the technique. As soon as the bottom cook, they stir the rice which is on the top, ensure that it goes down and cook perfectly. Mr. Brown and them are run off a bar today?
Like it live, the wood there.
And I run it?
Live.
She run it. The shy one was saying she not dress up. Too pretty for shy, you know.
against you. No Joey Larry now make no problem. How come we come for show you all of them again? We spart with them no longer Cudjoe till then. And me yes German for run a water mountain. I thought me come for touch it down in a style then. I make them know say this no problem. How come me come for touch it down in a style them? I make them know man me come for show them. And lyrics like this are when me come for show them. I dash me come for dash it in a style then. We don't want no problem up here style and pattern. And when we come fi touch it, make them know we are done. And lyrics like this, them have to shake the nation. Come listen to Joey Larry with him, I in a me hand. I come me come fi talk, me say style and pattern. I want them fi know man, me full of lyrics man. Up here lyrics we no want no problem. Come listen to Joey Larry man, me full up a style. And lyrics like this, man, we wicked and wild. And when we touch him, mic man, not be a problem. And make them know man, man, we better than them. Hey, Beanie Dan. I want you walk over, you know. For Joey Larry no afraid, you know. Come in, Beanie Dan, come touch it on style and pattern, man. I walk to them, man. Now it's all about the bombing, don't. I said down in the West Texas, down in Jamaica. Here I made love with a Jamaican girl. Nighttime you'll find me in Rose and Quintino. Music will play and Felino will whirl. All I'm pull up my selector. But I say why do we didn't range and the people imagine of vain things? First give the earth an abomination unto the Lord. No, I say to steal from thy brethren garden is bitter to thy belly, but to reap from thy own garden ever faithful to thy soul. Run that. Hear me now. We call it love affair come. Love it affair come, love affair come. Love it affair come. Take it down now. Love affair come. Love it affair come, love affair come. Love it affair come. Hear this. Lip on me, lip on nose, so out me tongue. 1 penny, 2 penny, hard cross bun. If you have no that, I beg you give them to your son. As a DJ, you with the lyrical gun. So what? On top of the world I'm looking, down on creation is the only explanation I can find. All I'm pull up. Now hear me now. I don't want a guy feel like this is just a bunks round, you know. A being the done, you know. And you see me? Anywhere me go, you know, I'm not afraid for all mic and deal with it because I represent my people them in Cudjoe, back passer. Now Juba Rankin, come cross because you see yo, a long time. I mean bring him, you know, saying. So I'm touch it like this and say, anywhere the Beanie Dan go. Anywhere the Beanie Dan go. Anywhere the Beanie Dan go. Code a gal them off a falla. Take it down. Anywhere the Beanie Dan go. Anywhere the Beanie Dan go. Anywhere the Beanie Dan go. Code a gal them off a falla. Hear me now. So me love the gal them. Yes, me love the gal them. Me and the gal them a friend. Lord, me love the gal them, yes, me love the gal them. Beanie Dan come back. Me love is when it's sexy gal them a pass. Boom band stick in a me private class. Bust me champagne and me pour it in a glass. Have me gem cigar and it up in a jar. Long time me ya look your gal do and say me care. I see same one a bust it pimple in a me jar. Hear this? Now me no want a guy feel like me get too slack, you know. But this a feel girl them. Gal me love you so much, want you so much. One day to come here I go broke your thermos. Gal love you so much, want you so much, want us a house for your house in just watch me. Girl, you pretty like a stage show posters. Me want fling famous slug in your posters. Girl, you pretty like a stage show posters. Me want fling famous slug in your. So jump around if you got in there. Kick out your foot and if you're easy. Oh, yeah, man, I said Juba Rankin.
Yes, Beanie Dan. You know, see how we turn, you know. And when we come, you know. Big up. Girl from London, girl from Birmingham, girl from China, girl from Russia. Big up the girl, let me know. If I know, say so we turning up. Hey, hey, Sharon, hold your man, take your man, girl on with your man. Make me 18, oh Sharon, not for your husband. Girl begin to hold your man, take your man, girl on with your man. Make me 18, oh Sharon, not for your husband. Now talk, him attack, Sharon, up your madam. Him and give you 20. Hey, yeah, Sharon, Sharon, hold your man, take your man, gal on with your man. Make me 18, oh Sharon, for your husband. Gal begin to hold your man, take your man, gal on with your man. Make me 18, oh Sharon, for your husband. Nally talk, him attack, Sharon, up your madam. Your man a give you money 24/7. You just hold up your foot, Sharon, and hold up your hand. Jump and shack out, Sharon, gal on with your man. That's it, muckle and pose, in your pretty clothes. Expensive cologne, make you born me 18, oh Sharon, hold your man, take your man, gal on with your man. Make me 18. Give me peace, give me peace. See it now, everybody, Juba Ranks, big up yourself, Julia Riley. Alright, see it now. Me is the lover of no sexy lady. Girls, hold on, quiet and listen to this. See, me is the lover of no sexy lady. Girls from town and girls from in a country. Anyway, you go them and go ball for the princey. The old raga mafika. Woman a say me a sample. They want me to work in a them temple. They want me to teach them style by the dozen. Come girl, pick me, make we sit down and reason. Compliments to you of the season. Is it me come work? Me have to get something. Me now go work as no holly button. Cake is baking in the oven. Me see the blue jars. Girl that do kuno. I want a piece of that panty pudding. By me say the word, body hit a tremble. See the rising of the girl nipple. Just like I can up and see me a paddle. Fling fire wood and me say now you keckle. Water boil and your keckle start whistle. Give me a house to wreck like Eckle and Jekyll. Now left until me second at the miggle. Me at the trade girl string in your niggle. When me come stitch, me have to use timber because the ragamuff come in. Girl, them a look for me. Girl, them a want me. Girl, them a look for me.
This is a rooster and this chicken is normally raised for 1 year before eating. So we are now at the flowering process. So chicken which has been seasoned for a week long is now added to the flour where it's mixed along with the flour so that we can actually fry this chicken. The pot is very hot right now and it's now time to add in the chicken one by one.
I'm Mike. I like a woman.
Chicken done fry and pretty in the pot.
Magic.
Thank you very much, man. Appreciate it. Whoa, yo! Eh?
We place with it. We place with it. Tell you one of them say we place with it.
Yeah.
Food pan fire. Food pan fire.
Oh, you're done, man. Looking good, you know? Looking good. I just paint up now.
Right now, man want your body, girl, anyway where you turn so. She whippy bang, girl, whippy bang skin, girl. You know you're ready, girl. Lad, you know you have a girl. Shape on the body, girl. You know you're ready, girl. You know you're ready, girl. You know you got a girl. Shape on the body, girl. Watch your then, too. You know you got what they take then, me girl. Head down to toe, girl. You have can done. Fat pum pum man, a food can done. Man, see your body, girl. You them a run down. Champagne wine with them and my bring come. Rip and finger with them and my bring come, girl. You know you're ready, girl. You know you got it, girl. You know you can done. You know you can done. You know you're ready, girl. You know you got it, girl. Yeah, girl.
Very good.
That can I have box? Correct, good.
Jesus Christ.
Where I say?
What? Bad.
Chicken, bud.
And this is a part of our Jamaican culture. When someone die, we all come together as a community, assist in digging the grave. We cook together, we eat together, we drink together, we dance together, and have a good time.
How come we come again? We come a star up is sure. I'm and the Juba ranking man. We are yes, how we know. Yes, she will be the bang. We are tired on them. How come we come fit tell the whole of them back again? And lyrics like this and we know no problem. At 5 and 5 at 10 and we come fish show them. Yes, she will be the bang.